Have you ever pondered over the possibility of our moon being larger than our Earth? A thought-provoking query indeed. Today we're going to take a jaunt into the realm of the hypothetical, the world of what-ifs, and delve into a scenario where our beloved moon, that luminous silver orb that graces our night sky, is larger than our very own planet Earth. The moon, our cosmic companion, is about 1/4 the size of Earth, and its gravitational influence upon our planet is undeniable. It's responsible for the rhythmic ebb and flow of our ocean's tides. It stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, ensuring a relatively stable climate over millions of years. But what if this celestial satellite were larger than our home planet? What might the implications be? Let's take a moment to consider the moon's gravitational pull. If our moon were larger, its gravitational force would be significantly stronger. This would affect Earth in a multitude of ways, from our tides to our very rotation. The moon's gravitational pull could cause higher tides, potentially leading to more frequent and severe coastal flooding. Our planet's rotation might slow down, resulting in longer days and nights. And what about the moon's impact on life as we know it? The moon plays a crucial role in the evolution and survival of many species on Earth. Its light guides the migratory patterns of various animals, and its gravitational pull influences the breeding cycles of certain marine species. If the moon were larger, these natural rhythms could be dramatically altered, with unforeseeable consequences for Earth's biodiversity. And let's not forget space exploration. A larger moon would present both challenges and opportunities for our quest to explore the cosmos. Would it be harder to reach, or would its increased mass make it a more valuable stepping stone to the outer reaches of our solar system? Imagine the sight of a moon larger than our Earth, glowing in our night sky. What would be the ramifications? Join us as we embark on this cosmic journey of discovery, exploring the fascinating implications of an oversized moon. The moon, as we know, exerts a gravitational pull on our Earth. It's a dance of celestial bodies, where the moon's gravity pulls on our planet, and in turn, Earth's gravity keeps the moon in orbit. One of the most visible effects of the moon's gravity on Earth is our tides. The moon's gravitational pull causes the ocean's water to bulge out toward it, resulting in high tides. When the moon is on the other side of the Earth, we experience low tides. It's a ceaseless ebb and flow, a rhythm ingrained in the very fabric of our planet's life. But the moon's influence isn't limited to our oceans. It also stabilizes Earth's tilt. You see, our planet is tilted on its axis, and this tilt is responsible for our seasons. The moon's gravity keeps this tilt from varying too much, giving us a stable, predictable cycle of seasons. Now imagine if our moon were bigger. A larger moon would have a stronger gravitational pull. This would mean higher tides, potentially leading to more extreme coastal flooding. It could affect marine life, disrupting the delicate balance of our ocean ecosystems. On land, the higher tides could lead to more frequent and severe coastal erosion, reshaping our coastlines and potentially displacing human and animal populations. A larger moon could also affect Earth's tilt. With a stronger gravitational pull, the moon could cause Earth's tilt to vary more, making our seasons less predictable. This could lead to harsher winters, hotter summers, and overall more extreme weather patterns. The impact on agriculture, wildlife, and human life could be significant. The moon, in its current size, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet. A bigger moon wouldn't just mean a brighter night sky. A bigger moon would mean a stronger pull, leading to drastic changes in our tides and possibly our seasons. Our life on Earth is intricately linked with the moon. It's a bond forged over billions of years, an interstellar ballet danced to the rhythm of gravity. Now, let's imagine a shift in the balance of this cosmic waltz. What if the moon was larger than it is now? The moon's gravitational pull is the puppeteer of our oceans, causing the ebb and flow of tides. If our moon were larger, its gravitational influence would increase, leading to more extreme tides. Coastal ecosystems that thrive in the gentle rhythm of our current tidal patterns would face a new and harsh reality. These heightened tides could reshape continents, drowning low-lying areas and creating a world of vast, shallow seas. But the moon's influence doesn't stop at our shores. The Earth's axis, the imaginary line around which our planet spins, maintains a relatively stable tilt thanks to our moon. This tilt is responsible for our seasons, those rhythmic changes that dictate life on Earth. A larger moon could cause a more unstable tilt, leading to wild swings in our climate. Imagine, if you will, an Earth where the gentle cycle of seasons becomes a thing of the past, replaced by erratic and extreme weather patterns that could challenge even the most adaptable of species. The Moon, our silent partner in space, does more than just light up our night sky. It shapes our world and the life that calls it home. A larger moon would not just be a grander sight in our night sky, it would be a game changer, a new set of rules in the delicate balance of life on Earth. So, when you gaze up at the moon tonight, remember its role in shaping our world. It's not just a celestial body adorning our night sky, but a key player in the story of life on Earth. Life as we know it would be drastically different under the watchful eye of a larger moon. The journey to the moon has been a landmark achievement in human history. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. But imagine, what if our moon were larger than it currently is? How would that affect our ventures into the cosmos? A larger moon would present a more formidable obstacle to overcome in our journey into space. The reason lies in the inescapable pull of gravity. A more massive moon would exert a stronger gravitational pull, making it more challenging to escape its gravitational field. It would require more fuel, more power, and more resources to break free and venture into space. But it's not all gloom. Every challenge brings with it opportunities. A larger moon could potentially serve as a more substantial base for further space exploration. With more surface area, we could build more extensive lunar bases, perhaps even lunar cities. These could serve as launch points for missions deeper into space, to Mars, Jupiter, or even beyond. The moon could become our pit stop, our spaceport, a stepping stone in humanity's journey into the cosmos. It could be a place where we refuel, gather resources, and prepare for longer voyages. In fact, a larger moon could be a boon to space travel, despite the initial challenges it presents. Furthermore, a more massive moon could potentially hold more resources that could be exploited for space travel. These could include water ice, which could be turned into rocket fuel, or valuable minerals and metals that could be used in the construction of spaceships and other spacefaring technologies. However, these are conjectures, hypotheses based on our current understanding of physics and space travel. The reality could be different, filled with unforeseen challenges and unexpected opportunities. But one thing is certain, the exploration of space would be a different ballgame altogether. A larger moon, a more challenging frontier, yet a more promising outpost for further exploration. It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? It reiterates the fact that sometimes the biggest challenges can offer the greatest opportunities. Our night sky, adorned with the sight of the moon, would be a spectacle of a different kind. Just imagine an evening stroll under the stars, only this time the moon, our constant companion in the night sky, has swelled to an imposing size. This larger moon would dominate our sky like an overbearing celestial monarch, dwarfing other nighttime spectacles and casting a brighter, more intense glow over our world. With its increased size, our moon would not just be a sliver of silver or a pale disk in the sky, it would be a radiant behemoth, its craters and valleys visible to the naked eye. The moon's surface, once a distant mystery, would become a familiar sight, its features as recognizable as the landmarks of our own planet. However, this larger-than-life moon would come with a cost. Its luminosity would outshine the stars, transforming the once speckled canvas of the night into a stark, moonlit landscape. The Milky Way, that beautiful river of stars we're fortunate to glimpse on clear nights, would be reduced to a mere whisper against the moon's brilliance. Astronomers would have to contend with the moon's glare, potentially obscuring the view of distant galaxies and celestial phenomena. Stargazing would be forever altered. The constellations of old would struggle to pierce through the lunar luminescence. Yet, despite these changes, we might find a certain beauty in this new celestial order. The sight of a moon so large, so bright, would be a constant reminder of our place in the cosmos. It would be a beacon in the night, a symbol of the majestic and mysterious universe we inhabit. But the reality remains that our moon is not larger than Earth, and our night sky retains its dark canvas, speckled with distant stars and galaxies. It is a humble reminder that we are but a small part of an infinite cosmos, a fact that can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. Our night sky would be forever changed, with a moon too large to ignore. So what would happen if our moon was larger than our Earth? We've journeyed through the realms of possibility, exploring the profound and the peculiar. What we've found is a world that would be so dramatically different, it's almost impossible to imagine. If our moon was larger than our Earth, the first and perhaps most noticeable change would be to Earth's gravity. The moon's increased mass would have a profound effect on the gravitational pull exerted on our planet, potentially causing dramatic changes to our tides and weather patterns. It's a stark reminder of how interconnected our cosmic neighborhood truly is. Next, we considered life, as we know it. With a larger moon, the nature of life on Earth could be drastically altered. The evolution of species might have taken a different path, resulting in a completely different biodiversity. We might have seen creatures adapted to a world with more extreme conditions, perhaps even fostering an environment conducive to the development of life forms we can't even fathom. As for space travel, a larger moon would certainly present new challenges, but also new opportunities. The increased gravity would make leaving the Earth's atmosphere more difficult, but once accomplished, we'd have a larger celestial body to explore and potentially colonize. It's a tantalizing prospect that invites us to dream of what could be. And then, there's the night sky. With a larger moon, our nights would be brighter, our lunar eclipses more dramatic, and the moon itself would be a much more prominent feature in our sky. It's a vision that is at once both beautiful and eerie. While we can only speculate about these scenarios, one thing is certain: a larger moon would create a world vastly different from the one we know today. So, next time you gaze up at our celestial companion, take a moment to appreciate the delicate balance that allows our world to be what it is. Because in the grand scheme of the cosmos, size really does matter.